Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about an indicator that is going to tell you a very simple strategy to use for secret trading view indicator for scalping on 5, 15, 30 minutes time frame. It works great on all forex pairs, especially it can be used on not only for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. This indicator finds high and low pivot points in the price action, and the strategy that I'm going to tell you about the indicator is super accurate. I will be telling you that how we can use this strategy, but first of all I want to take you to my broker, which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with Exness, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with Exness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have chosen gold chart with 15 minutes time frame. The indicator that I'm going to use for this strategy is the pivot high low, the pivot high low analysis and forecast. Analysis and forecast. This is by Lux Algo. 3153 traders are using this indicator. You have to choose this one indicator and it will be applied on your chart. As you can see, this chart will be looking like this. Here it is showing you the future time position of the pivot points, this one red color and the blue color one. This indicator also helps to find the information about the future pivot points, plus this information is directly used in indicating for providing the forecast of the market trend. Here there are 2 horizontal lines which are shown in a chart that are acting as support and resistance levels, and we are also having 2 vertical lines as well. Here this red color horizontal line is indicating the resistance level and green one is indicating the support level, and the 2 vertical lines are also there with the green and the red color, and these are also the time estimates where price action is supposed to hit the bottom or the top of these horizontal lines, right? So whenever our market or the price action is moving in between these 2 lines, they have to move in between 2 lines. They have to respect these 2 levels of support and resistance. Okay, for example, this red line, this red vertical line or the green line, if we talk about these 2 lines, for example the green line, the green vertical line shows that the price action is expected to reach the horizontal red line. Our green line will show that our price action will be showing that the price action has to reach the horizontal red line, up one, right? But this red color line is showing that our market or the price action has to reach or touch this horizontal green line. If our market is moving according to this, then our forecast of this information is correct. Otherwise we have to go further for making our more estimates for using the strategy. But for this indicator is as I told you, it is very, very accurate and giving us the proper and most of the time the accurate information. So we are going to use it for forecasting the market trend or for the high or low pivot points as well. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, that if we go into the settings of this indicator, it has shown you the length of the inputs, that is 50. So we are not going to change anything into it, but in the style section we will remove tables only and click OK. Now we don't need those tables, so we have removed them. Okay, one more thing here, as you can see here, there is a red color arrow and the blue color arrow that are showing us especially they which are showing us the pivot points, high or low pivot points. This is the higher point and this is the lower pivot point that are forecasting basically that how our market has to move and maximum how much it has to move or it can go. As you can see, this was the top high or high. So this is shown by looking towards this, and the lower lows had gone till here, so we can also take it as our lower lows. But our market has to move in between these two levels. But as you can see that if our market is moving in between these two levels, if the market has moved above this, for example, for the short position, if we see, then we have to look towards our red color line that is showing that our market has to touch this horizontal green color line. So if this is our downward trend, then our market has to touch this green color line, which is the support level as well. So afterwards it has to pump back, or there will be a pullback again towards upside, and it has to touch this resistance level that is in the red color. Okay. Here this is shown by the red color. It means we are expecting a downward trend right now. So it has to touch this line and it has to be reversed back. If we go in any other chart, for example in Euro JPY, it is also showing us the two levels which are red and green. But as you can see that our market has crossed this red color line, so there must be another support and the resistance level. Now this resistance level will be acting as the support level, and a new line, green color line, this will be changed into the green color line, and a red color line will be formed as the resistance level for this market trend or the price action. So we have to wait for a market to take the positive or the downward trend or the uptrend. So it will be formed according to that. Okay, let's go in the New Zealand USD chart. Here also you can see that our market has two pivot points, high and low pivot points that are shown by looking towards this. But here we have found there is a green signal, that is the green vertical line, that is showing that our market has to touch the red color line, but it has still this much pivot high point, and that is the forecast of this green color line. So we have to wait for our market to move up. But if we see that our market has the downward trend, so we are going to see that there is a red color line that is waiting for the market to hit this support level. Okay, I think I have made the maximum points clear and explained you very well how this strategy works and how we can check that what is the forecasting of the price action in using this high and low pivot points plus support and resistance level. If you find any value in this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and do use it for your own trading, as well as you have to use it for your own trading. Thank you so much for watching this video, and